Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to remove background noise from your audio. Let's get started. Once your edit is finished, follow these steps to remove background noise from your audio.
No shame in that, dear. And we all have to.
As you can hear, this vocal contains a lot of background noise. We are going to clean them up using an AI-powered speech enhancement tool. First, export your audio. Go to File, Export, Add to Render Queue. In the output module, select MP3. Then rename the file and choose your desired save location. Now open your browser and search for Adobe Podcast. Open the Enhanced Speech feature and log in with your account. Upload the audio file you just exported. Processing may take a few minutes. Once it's finished, you can adjust the enhancement settings however you like, or simply use the same settings I am using. After that, click download. Now import the enhanced audio back into After Effects and replace your original audio with it.
No, I'm a horologist.
So was my mum.
You saying your mother was academically inclined?
More like horizontally reclined.
As you can hear, the background noise is gone and the vocals sound much cleaner. And that's all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more editing tutorials and leave a comment with what you would like to learn next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.